Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download Tinder on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to ensure of is that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, it'll appear on your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, a 4G or 5G icon should appear right next to your network status. The next thing that you must ensure is that you're running at least Android 9.0 or higher. For that, head over to the settings on your device, tap on About Phone, scroll down and then hit Software Information. This phone is running Android version number 16, so we're good to go. After that, you can head over to the Play Store on your device through your app drawer, tap on Play Store, tap on Search, and then in the search bar, simply search for Tinder. After that, you can hit Go or Enter on your keyboard and then install the Tinder app. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account before you try and download any app from the Google Play Store. If not, then Google will prompt you to log into your Google account with your credentials, after which you can download the app. After you've downloaded Tinder, you can simply set up your profile and then look for a partner. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.